Hi, I'm Dr. Jerry, owner of Ramsey Dental Spa, main dentist. Welcome to my practice. So DOF came highly recommended by Cadre. Cadre, when I was looking into milling machines and options, they were adamant DOF is sort of a workhorse, and the investment's worth it and less issues to deal with. So I trusted kind of what Cadre said and went with DOF. The workflow is faster. So once you bring milling in, it changes the way that you kind of do the dentistry. It gives you the option of doing same-day milling. It lets you sort of explore the options in terms of going through the designs, and you're fabricating yourself, so the turnaround time is significantly sort of improved. And so you have the option to deliver to the patient whatever you sort of feel is necessary in the time frame that you feel is necessary. So it just kind of opens up all the options. The dentistry is definitely better because you're paying attention to it. So it's a thing where when you're scanning and you're marking your own margins and you're putting into the program and you're designing it, you sort of learn all the intricacies of all the steps. And when you know that, when you're reviewing it, if you wanted to improve something for next time or something could be a little bit better, the design aspects of how the crowns come up and how the milling goes. So you definitely become more in tune with how to be a better dentist and provide better quality care. So mostly single units, bridges, bread and butter sort of restorative work is the main. But it's one of those things, you get the milling machine and the next thing you know, you're milling some larger bridges, 10 units, 12 units. You're also seeing, can I mill direct to MUA? So you try sort of restoring implants and milling abutments, and so you kind of dive through all of the things. But here we basically mill everything from single crowns to all on X. So we get the full use out of the machine. Quality is vastly improved, obviously, because when you're sort of controlling the zirconia that you're using and the sintering cycles and the whole sort of preparation to it, you're like the chef and you get to use the ingredients that you want to use. Versus when you send to the lab, you kind of don't exactly know what you're getting sometimes. So once you're able to sort of bring it in-house, you sort of control all the steps and you control all the materials and the quality. And you can sort of trust that that's going to work well, and then the patient satisfaction is obviously going to be better too. Yeah, Cadre has been sort of integral to this part. Without them helping us through the steps, it would be significantly more challenging, obviously. With their help, we have tons of resources. They're always there if you need help. If something's not going to plan, even the simplest things, they're able to jump on a team viewer, log in remotely and help you right away. That sort of solves any troubleshooting issues. So they have helped us tremendously, and it's part of the reason that we're able to do what we do.